In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable secure DNS in the Brave browser. Secure DNS, sometimes called DNS over HTTPS, helps protect your browsing by encrypting the lookups that turn website names into IP addresses. Enabling it inside Brave is quick, and it can improve privacy and sometimes speed without changing anything else on your computer. Start by opening Brave on your computer. In the top right corner of the window, click the menu icon, the three horizontal lines. That opens a panel with various options. Go ahead and choose Settings to open Brave's Settings page in a new tab. On the left sidebar of the Settings page, click Privacy and Security, then select Security on the right. This section controls protections like safe browsing and site isolation, and it's also where Brave keeps the secure DNS option. Scroll down until you reach the Advanced area and look for Use Secure DNS. Make sure the switch is turned on. When this is enabled, Brave sends your DNS requests over an encrypted connection instead of the standard unencrypted method. Right below that, you'll see a setting labeled With. Here you can choose who handles your encrypted DNS. If you prefer a ready-made option, open the dropdown and select a built-in provider such as Cloudflare, Google, or OpenDNS. These options are widely used, fast, and compatible with most networks. If you already have a favorite resolver or your organization requires a specific one, choose Custom. In the field that appears, enter the address for that service. For example, you might type 1.1.1 for Cloudflare or 8.8.8 for Google. Brave will route your DNS securely through the provider you specify. Once you've made your selection, there's nothing else to save. You can simply close the Settings tab, and your changes take effect automatically. From now on, Brave will handle DNS lookups securely using the provider you chose. If you notice any websites loading slowly or not at all after changing providers, just return to the same security page and pick a different option. Some networks block certain resolvers, especially on school or work connections. Also keep in mind that VPNs, security software, or enterprise profiles can override DNS behavior. If that's the case, selecting a different provider in Brave or temporarily turning off the conflicting tool may help. That's it. You've enabled secure DNS in Brave, chosen a provider that fits your needs, and your settings are active right away. Enjoy a more private browsing experience without changing anything outside your browser.